In the coming weeks, Crosby ISD voters will head to the polls to decide on Bond 2023. If approved, the district would build 2 new schools, a new elementary and phase 1 of a second middle school. The $85 million would also cover the cost of roof replacements or refurbishments, restroom renovations, and upgrades to heating and cooling systems, some of which are more than 2 decades old. The additional school buildings will help us prepare for the growth projected from new developments within the boundaries of Crosby ISD over the course of the next 10 years. A school district's bond is like someone taking out a mortgage on a home. In order to build or do major upgrades for technology and safety, the district must use voter-approved bond funds to finance those projects. In essence, take out a mortgage. The district is using some of the remaining funds from the 2017 bond to expand Crosby High School right now. Over the past few months, the administration has worked with designers and architects to find even more classrooms than the original designs had allocated. The remainder of the 2017 bond funds will be paired with the 2023 bond funds, if approved, and finish the top 3 priorities recommended by the Community Construction Committee, a committee of parents, business leaders, and community members from all across the district. The Construction Committee presented their recommendations to the Board of Trustees, and the Board adopted those priorities: the high school expansion, middle school relief, and a new elementary school. The 2023 bond will be listed on your ballot as Proposition A. You'll find Proposition A at the end of the ballot. Now is a good time to add a voting reminder to your phone calendar. We're going to share a few dates with you. Early voting will run from October 23rd through November 3rd. Election Day is Tuesday, November 7th. Polls will be open from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Please consult our website or Harris County's website for exact voting locations. Remember, voters in Harris County are allowed to vote at any polling site in the county.